myself. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Good morning. Bright eyes. Hi. There's a smile. There's the start of one. Hi, honey. Hi, you Jude. What are you doing? See, it's Monday morning, July 14th. Say good morning. Oh, there's a peek of a smile. Yeah. You're starting. You're starting. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, you cute thing. Yeah. So you're happy first thing in the morning. Right? Clean diaper. Fresh PJs that you didn't pee all in. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. How's my happy man? Hi. Yeah. What? Tell me. Yes, you cute little thing. Say good morning, world. What is it? What is it, Jude? Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, cutie. Yay! There you go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi, everybody. Good morning. Huh? You're such a cutie. Gotta catch them in the morning with the camera, otherwise later in the day it gets a little fussy. First thing, he's a cutie pie. Well, he's always a cutie pie, but... Right, bud? Right, Jude? Right, honey? Oh, bless you, precious. Bless you. Talk to me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me, you cutie. Say, okay. All right. Back to bed for feeding. Say bye, everybody. We'll see you later. Bye, everybody.